So what do you do this weekend?
Let's go to the movies.
I think it's the movies, yeah. See that movie Mall Cop?
Mall Cop?
Yeah.
That's got to be a funny movie. Yeah, we'll go see that. When
Yeah.
do you want to see it? Saturday?
Yeah, that sounds good, like a good time.
What time?
Like around 7 maybe?
7? Is that your phone?
Yeah. I've never had that ringtone.
That's not your ringtone?
No. Unknown. Hello? I'm gonna die?
It's one of those prank callers. Don't worry. Get up. Just go.